Okay guys, it's time! Let's put up the Christmas tree. Join me as I set up this Christmas tree. This is my favorite part because it's when the home actually goes from a normal house to a holiday Hallmark movie. The kids are excited, I'm excited. My husband has no idea what's in store. This year, without spending money, I used what I already had and threw it up on the tree. I love the way it came out. It's fun, chaotic, just like my life. Now, before we get started, let's turn on the lights. Let's play some cozy holiday music. Get yourself a yummy drink. No stress. We're here for the vibe. Okay, so here's a secret to a designer-esque looking tree. Start with the ribbon. I don't wrap my tree in ribbon because it's a lot of work. I've done it before. Now I cut about 3-foot pieces and tuck, poof, and tuck. So much easier, and it gives it that gorgeous flow without the stress. It's like controlled chaos. Next, you want to start with the big statement pieces, the big ornaments, because you don't want those sentimental smaller ornaments to get lost behind those big ornaments. Biggest first, smallest last. If your kids want to join in, let them. Give them the bottom half of the tree, and you can take the top half. Everybody wins. This year, my kids preferred to play with the ornaments versus help. Use the boxes your Christmas trees came in, wrap them, and put them under the gifts. This will help make the bottom of the tree look fuller, like the North Pole. Okay, guys, are you ready for the big reveal? Now, lights off. This is your sign to make your home feel magical, even if life is messy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a single episode, especially the next episode where I'm going to show you how to make that huge bow. It's easy and you can use stuff you already have. It's simple. It'll last you for years. It'll be a huge statement piece. You'll love it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.